Today we're shooting some Agfa Vista 200. This film stock actually discontinued in the early 2000s, but started disappearing in 2018. This film stock was known for its bright and vibrant colors at its low price, making a common favorite back then. People say that Agfa Vista is just repackaged Fuji Superior, but I'm not sure how true that is. I bought this film stock back in 2018, but didn't get a chance to shoot until now. Let's see how the photos turn out. So after shooting this film stock, I think it's a great film stock. It's a shame that it's discontinued because the colors are really amazing. Generally, I prefer warmer tones, which is why I shoot a lot of Kodak film stock, like Kodak Gold and Kodak Portra. Those generally lean towards warmer tones, which is why I don't really shoot with Fuji film stocks that much. But I think with this film stock, it's a great kind of neutral film stock, but it's also super vibrant, which is great. I mean, I would totally see myself using this more often as like a casual film stock, but unfortunately you can't do that anymore. Looking at the photos, I think the grain is kind of noticeable, especially for ISO 200, which is usually to be expected with like consumer film stocks which aren't on the professional level. A lot of people compare this to Fuji Superior, and I've shot with Fuji Superior, and I think that film stock has a lot more greener tones and a lot more cooler tones, but you know, it all can vary, but that's just my observation from that. If I had the option to shoot Agfa Vista or Fuji Superior, I'd probably choose Agfa Vista just because it's a little more neutral, but you know, it's all preference. I generally don't really like to shoot more cooler tones. That's pretty much it for me. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.